I always did what I thought other people wanted me to, so that they would like me. So
Mm.
I ended up at some point in my life running our family business, which I said yes to my brother, which I really love him. But I already had a job of my own. I was an assistant to a very famous Greek singer, and I was going all over the world with her and doing the production. Uh, but I also said, of course, it is a bit of a part-time job, so I had free time, and I said yes to my brother. So I ended up running the business
Mm.
and working about 17 hours a day. I started I
Yeah.
started gaining weight.
Yep.
I started having I started having skin rashes all over my body because
Yeah.
my body, was sending me
Stress.
messages. I didn't, and I had no idea. I didn't pay attention. At
Yeah.
some point, my boyfriend, who we were living together, I came back from a conference and he had moved out.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
I'm laughing now. It's not funny. And the most interesting thing about that is that instead of feeling, sad, the first thing that I felt was relief, because it
Mm.
felt to me like it was one less problem that I had to take care of. Mind
Yeah.
you, the time that I was running the family business was when Greece, I don't know how many people know, but Greece defaulted twice.
Yes. I remember that.
So,
Yeah.
so it
Yeah.
was during that time. So most companies, especially our company, we were importing things from abroad. So it was they cut the credit for us, and we had to
Hmm.
find cash every day. I'm not going to go into there, but the thing is that I was stressed all day long, and working on autopilot for how many hours. And I did that for 5 years, and in the end I started having the panic attacks. I
Yeah.
didn't have many, but the panic attacks were the moment, like you said, it made me finally stop and look at my life. And
Hmm.
I realized that I was unhappy in every area of my life. I couldn't recognize myself even physically because I had gained
Hmm.
the weight, and I said I need to do something. So that was a defining moment for me, as to I need to do something to change my life now. Otherwise, I don't know, I'm going to end up in the hospital.